Kicking in dope for kilos, not no motherfucking petty crunk. Kicking in dope for kilos, not no motherfucking petty crunk. Kicking in dope for kilos, not no motherfucking petty crunk. Kicking in dope for kilos, not no motherfucking petty crunk.
Been about this shit since 96. I thought you fucking know. I've been about this shit since I was little, man. I thought you knew. Adolescent kid, I'm tryna rap, I'm tryna go to school, but that shit went for me, so I left. Fuck the faculty. Been about this shit since 96. I thought you fucking know. I've been about this shit since I was little, man. I thought you knew. Adolescent kid, I'm tryna rap, I'm tryna go to school, but that shit went for me, so I left. Fuck the faculty. Take a trip to Zanzibar, off a bar, couple bars, couple heart, ooh, couple bitches, give them heart, ooh, give me heart, like what?
Alright, what's up guys? It is actually Thanksgiving today. Will is back from U of A for the next couple days. And then tomorrow is the big day that I will be picking up my 240 and bringing it back here. It's not exactly road ready yet, but it will be by Saturday definitely. Then Saturday and Sunday we'll be filming videos, shooting photos, probably a bunch of other friends that want to see the car as well. It looks fucking crazy. Like, it is insane. New windshield, fresh paint, all the rubber moldings are refreshed. I haven't shown it anywhere yet. I've posted pictures of it in black and white on like Instagram and stuff, but it's crazy. I'll be debuting it this Sunday, 3 days from now at Supercar Sunday at Woodland Hills. It's really sick. Like, it's way better than I thought, and I love the color so much. Yeah, anyways, right now we're just washing both cars, and then I'm actually gonna be leaving. Christian's going to a different location for his Thanksgiving dinner. But yeah, tomorrow, Friday, again, we'll be picking up the car. So I just wanted to film a little update today. Sorry, I don't know if I'm in focus right now because I'm shooting on Christian's Sony. Yeah, we got his Miata back. My Miata's over there. So basically, I was gonna say he was giving me a free car wash, but it's kind of my water and my pressure washer and my soap. So I guess I'm really giving him a free car wash. His camera looks really nice, so the image quality or video quality is really good. Yeah, so this lens and body is worth almost as much as your car. Ooh, ooh, the lighting is nice. The sun is currently blocked by the clouds. That fast aperture, aka blurry background though. So he knows what color the car is. He's only seen it in pictures though, not in real life.
I've been told it's like 5 different colors.
Yeah, but I told you really what it was. Okay. Well, do you like it?
Yeah. I do. Okay, well the color's like, I like it a lot better in person than like seeing pictures of it.
I like it in pictures too. I'll post a picture eventually.
When I think of like other cars that it's on, damn, big family party we always have, and
RIP.
I forgot like.
Yeah, so this guy, he drove back from U of A so we could film with my car, so shout out to Will for that. But I guess his family didn't know or something.
No, they knew.
And, well, your cousin didn't.
Oh, that's separate, yeah. I have a lot of cousins.
Yeah, so we have to make it worthwhile and get some crazy footage, especially tomorrow. Tomorrow night. Go to like some parking garage or something. Basically, I'm gonna be filming on your camera this whole weekend. So.
That's good. I want to let them do it.
So basically, all the videos are gonna be super high quality because this is pretty much a $3,000 camera setup in my left hand that's kind of just filling around. And yeah, I need to upgrade cameras. Well, it's mainly the lens, honestly, but the built-in stabilization definitely helps. Full frame looks pretty sick too though. And your autofocus is so fast. Way faster than mine.
Yeah.
Oh dude, what are you doing? You missed like the whole lower rocker area of your... Yeah, but you didn't even spray that. Or is that just like stains on the wrap?
No, that stinks.
Oh, that sucks. So when are you gonna call out Adam LZ for having the same wrap color on his S15 as your Miata? Tell him you did it first. He saw your car and he's like, dang, I need that.
Not really a Miata guy, so it doesn't really matter.
So once the 240's done, I really, like once you guys see it, you might feel my pain a little bit, but I can't imagine tracking that car at all. Oh god, I want to bump your mirror. But dude, the first road trip that car gets, I'm gonna cringe so hard. The first scratch, it's gonna be painful.
Dude, you should put like a
Clear bra?
yeah, like the wrap on like the bumper at least.
Yeah.
I would do that.
Like, God.
You have to do that.
I've never owned a car this nice. Like, there's too much money on this car now. It's stupid. Don't buy a 240. Just buy an FRS.
You could get a lot of A7s for that.
Yeah, you could. So, I don't know. Hopefully the hopefully the 240 helps out with the channel, gives us some really cool content to film, because honestly I look at it as an investment towards our future, my future, Kaizen Creations' future. So hopefully it pays off. It better pay off. I really hope it pays off.
This thing focuses nicely.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not like doing anything.
Yeah, that's why I was saying when I was filming on the gimbal, I wasn't doing anything. I was just walking around. It's nice. Dude, this towel is terrible for drying. Just like aimlessly walking around the car right now. Just a little bit of everywhere. But, so once we get the 240 back, I think, so my plan right now is to fix the STI, and then I want to daily drive that car so I can stop daily driving this car. And this is pretty much going to turn into my autocross, mainly autocross. I don't really track. Autocross, canyon, track car, hopefully. And then the 240 will be more of a media car / meet car. Because yeah, it definitely gets a lot of attention. Yeah, I have a lot of fun driving this car as it's horsing, so it handles really well.
Wait, the Miata's track car?
Yeah.
So, this and the 240 swapped rolls?
Yeah, pretty much.
Alright.
I wasn't supposed to Rocket Bunny the 240, it's just supposed to go polyurethane kit.
Yeah, I was going to mention that at some point.
The Rocket Bunny just kind of came up. But no, I mean, that's a good thing, because if I were to track that car, I would be so scared of going off and risking stuff on that. Like, that is by far my most expensive car now, and it's a lot of money on the line.
So watch me Rocket Bunny my Miata and paint it the same color of this mystical 240.
Yeah, that's the official Kaizen Creation color now. It could be. I'm down.
We didn't have like a meeting about this. There is no mutual agreement on this color.
Is Matthew gonna paint his Integra the same color as well? I haven't even seen Matthew's Integra actually.
Really?
No.
How?
It's not road legal yet.
No. He's had it for like a month or two.
Yeah, I know. It had a really complicated registration process. I don't know like all the details on it, but it was been. So the previous owner the previous owner sold it to the previous owner without transferring the person that Matthew bought the car from did not transfer the title to his name.
Yeah.
And then the car had a lien on it under a company that's not in business anymore. So Matthew pretty much had to send a letter to the old business address and then wait for that letter to come back saying they couldn't deliver it. And then he has to take that to the DMV and then get some other stuff done. I don't know the exact terminology for it. All legal stuff. But now he got the letter back actually. So now I think he's good to go to the DMV and register it. He also needs to smog it though. And I know he wanted to replace the tires and I think the timing belt before smogging it. Obviously not related to the smog, but just for reliability stuff. Yeah, so hopefully we'll see that car soon, because I haven't even seen it in person yet. It's not at his house, it's at some shop. It's like in the parking lot actually. Whoa.
Oh man. I wasn't even going to say anything, I was just going to accept it.
Alright, I think that's good enough drying it. Dude, hey, toss me this.
Oh, I'm not tossing.
Toss it.
No, we're not.
Do it, pussy.
We're not.
Throw it.
I'm a pussy.
Throw it. Throw it!
That bokeh is insane. Wait, this.
Dude, obviously, disregarding my tan convertible top, NBs are so much cooler than NAs.
Not true at all. You guys know that. That's an accepted fact amongst the Miata community.
Damn, your battery dies pretty fast though. It's already at 76.
Well, that's with filming. The pictures that thing lasts like an entire weekend.
Oh wow.
The strap honestly might beat out the lens. Like
the strap does not beat. Straps are terrible for video. This lens is way nicer.
I haven't ventured into the video at all.
Dude, your fitment is whack. My Rocket Bunny fits better than this. Maybe. Oh, okay. It fit way better before the lady freaking backed into the car.
Oh, you mean fender.
Yeah, your fender to
I thought you
bumper.
meant the wheel.
No, yeah, I'm talking about
The wheels whack you anyways.
talking about your bumper here. No, but I can't lower the car anymore because then I can't pull into this garage until something else changes and either I have my own house or I have a shop for whatever reason.